morning children, how are you all? So today we are going to deal with large numbers, the first chapter in your maths. So what are these numbers? Actually, we use numbers in our day-to-day life. Example, finding the population of a country or number of students in your class, etc. So what are these numbers? So numbers are represented by 10 symbols called as digits. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these 10 symbols are called as digits. So we represent these digit symbols to write a number. For example, 456. So here this is 456. Here 4, 5 and 6 are digits separately. If you combine these, this forms a number which is called as 456. Here 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens and 4 is in hundreds place. Coming to number system, we have two types of number systems. One is Indian system of numeration and other is international system of numeration. First one, Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Next comes international system of numeration. International system of numeration. So we will deal with these two number systems. Place value system. So Indian system of numerations, we have 4 periods. Ones period, thousands, lakhs and crores period. So in ones period we have 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands period we have 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. In lakhs we have 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crores it is crores and 10 crores. So while writing a number name or reading the number, we have to place a comma after each period and we should write. So consider this example. Now always place the comma from the right side. So after first, that is ones period, after 3 digits, comma, ones, tens and hundreds. Next thousands and 10,000s, this is thousands period. Then after lakhs and crores period. Now while writing the number name, first 23 is in crores period. So 23 followed by its period name. 23 crore, 45 lakh, 67,891. That is, so the number name is 23 crore, 45 lakh, 67,000 891. So this is the number name in Indian system of numeration. Is it clear, children? International system of numerations. We have 3 periods in international system of numerations. Ones, thousands and millions period. And in ones period we have 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands place also we have 3 places, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. And in millions period also we have 3 places, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So now how to write the number name with respect to its places. So after every period, so here international system, after every 3 digits we have to keep a comma from the right side. So ones, tens, hundreds, this is ones period, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, thousands period, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now how to write the number name? First, the number in millions period, 234 followed by the period name, that is 234 million. Next 567 followed by the period. It is 1000. So 567,891. So together the number is
891. That is, see, 234 is in millions period. So 234 followed by the period name. 567 followed by thousands period name. So next 891. So together the number is 234,567,891. Next topic is place value. So place value of a digit in a number is a digit multiplied by the value of its place. So for example, if you take the number, so here the place value of 3 is, digit is 3 and multiplied by its place. 5 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place. So 3 into 10. Now the place value of 3 is 30. Similarly, if you go for 4 into 4 is in which place? 1's, 10's, 100's, thousands and 10,000's place. So 4 into 10,000. So place value of 4 in the given number is 40,000. You can remember one thing, place value of a digit always increases by 10 times as we move from right to left. See, we know the place values, 1's, 10's, 100's, thousands and 10,000's. So value is 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So when you move from right to left, the place value will increase 10 times. So 1 into 10 is 10. Again 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. 1000 into 10 is 10,000. That means the place value is increasing 10 times as we move from right to left. In a similar way, we have some examples. So here 10 tens is equals to 100. Similarly, 10 hundreds is equals to 1000. Topic is expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but sum of the place values of all the digits. See. So this is the number 2342. So while writing the expanded form of a number, 2 is in thousands place. So 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. So this is the expanded form. Now writing numbers corresponding to number names and expanded form. So from number names, how to write a number, and from expanded form, how to write the number. So suppose if we take 40,536. So here, take the highest place value. It is 40,000, that is 10,000's place. So to make it easy, write the place values from 10,000's. That is 1's, 10's, 100's, thousands and 10,000's. So 40. 4 is in 10,000's place. 0, 536. So the number is 40,536. Next, from expanded form, how to write a number. So 20 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 3,000
plus 200 plus 1. So how to write this? In the form of a number. Highest place value is 10 lakhs. So write the places up to 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. As it is in Indian system, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So first 2 is in 10 lakhs place. 2. 5 is in lakhs place. 5. And there is no number in 10,000s place. So keep 0. Then 3 is in thousands place. 2 is in hundreds place. There is no number in tens place. So it should be 0 and the ones place is 1. So the number is, place the commas according to the system. 25 lakhs 3,201.